for joining me with Forex Trends for your trading day of April 5th, 2011. In this video, I'll be giving you my basic analysis for that trading session. If you'd like to compare price action with my analysis, just open up the video for April 4th to compare those movements for the trading day. And for gold, still looking for a long opportunity. You don't want to short this pair, even though you can make some pips, but you always want to keep looking for a long opportunity because the general trend for oil is clearly up. So the next potential opportunity where I might see some of my CCI or my RSIs down into the lower range, I'll be looking for a long opportunity. And for silver, continuing to make new highs. You know what? You have to go long on this, maybe with a more shorter term time frame. If you go long, you got to remember that we are in the extreme. We have been extremes for a while, but you do not want to start shorting. Just continue to look for long opportunities with silver. And for oil, continues its long uptrend. However, you could play shorts on this if you see some daily closes below the previous close. We are into some extremes on my indicators here, but you want to continue looking for long opportunities. However, so you could go with some short opportunities just with a more shorter term time frame, but oil, very bullish. And for natural gas, this rollover is happening. We're starting to see some selling, so I'm going to wait for this probably to slow down and wait for a pop to the upside before going long on natural gas. But I'm bullish on natural gas. It's just it always seems to want to retrace, so I'm looking for more short-term long positions. But I'm going to wait for a sell-off and that sell-off to slow before going long again. And my analysis for the Forex pairs that I follow. And for the Euro-US, I went long on the previous trading session, and managed to gain some pips. It was a very choppy movement, so I ended up exiting my position. Just histogram was turning bearish, and I had a bearish hike in ashy. I'm just wondering, I'm getting out and I'm looking possibly for another long opportunity. I'm just going to be a bit more cautious. Really, the trend kind of zigzagged here for a little bit, so I'm looking for another long opportunity. The trend is upwards, so I'm going to continue looking for long opportunities. And for the Euro Aussie, I was looking for a possible short if it would have been started closing below the 136.5 area. It didn't. It actually had a nice little pop to the upside, and I was looking for a possible long opportunity on a more shorter term time frame, and I went long today at 137.06, and it kind of zigzagged a little bit down. I kind of touched my entry point. I didn't close my position. I'm gonna hold it until it starts to show some signs of weakness, and it's still a little bit bullish, so I'm gonna continue to hold. But I've moved my stop now to break even, so if it reverses, at least it'll just kick me out at my entry point. But you know what? Possible short-term bottom here. So if I could catch the short-term bottom and it continues to spike higher, I'm going to continue to hold for a possible longer term position. So that's where I stand with the Euro Aussie. And the Euro Jap, I was looking for a pullback possibly to the moving averages. The ATR never happened, even though the trend is clearly bullish. Starting to turn bullish again, the short term here, but I'm not comfortable playing it. I really need pull back to some support before going long on this pair, so I'm going to continue to analyze it and look for another long position. And with the Euro Pound, this pair, I believe it might be stalling out in this long run here. If I start seeing a close below the previous swing lows here, then I'm thinking this trend will be dead, and we're looking for more selling. So I'm gonna stop going bullish on this pair, and now I'm gonna look for the sell off to make a new low, and then look for a long opportunity from there, or go long when it does make a new low. It really depends what's happening in the market, but histogram's rolling over. I really think that this pair could possibly be stalling out here, so I'm going to be looking for some short positions here in the next few trading days. And the Euro CAD, I continue to look for another short position. I really think that this upper channel is it might break. My histogram's telling me, we're on the verge of a very bearish run here. So I'm looking for a short opportunity. Didn't get one today. We actually had a nice rally. Missed that rally, but that's trading. So I'm looking for another sharp sell-off and start joining the bears on this one. And for the pound US, I went long on the previous trading session, and we had some zigzag movement today and a little bit of a sell-off. I haven't closed my position yet. I'm gonna wait and see what happens here, but I really don't see any strong signs of selling that will continue. So I'm going to continue holding my position, and I think that tomorrow that we're going to see another possible run to the upside. And for the US Swiss, I've done pretty well going long on this pair the past few weeks here, and I'm looking for another long position here. It's not a strong movement right now, but I'm contemplating going long if I do see a pop to the upside. So I'll be looking for another long opportunity on the US Swiss pair for tomorrow's trading. And for the US CAD pair, you know what? I went short again yesterday after I'd closed a previous short for some gains, and I continued to play that, and it reversed on me pretty quickly and actually broke even. I should have really put more thought into that trade. Maybe just step back and wait for this reversal to happen before going short again. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. I'm looking for another short. I just have to really watch for this short-term rally to break down, because I'm at that resistance area, and if we start to sell off again, all signs are pointing to more selling. Resistance, ATR stop, and my major slope, downward slope, and my moving averages are all bearish. So I'm looking for this short-term rally to roll over, and I'm going to be going possibly short on this pair tomorrow. And for the Aussie US pair, previous trading video, I was mentioning I was looking for a possible short-term short trade, just because this bull run here really needs to retrace, especially just the moving averages. But I went short today at 1.035. I'm up about 20 pips right now. I was down on my trade for a short period of time, but I'm comfortable holding it right now. So I'm going to watch for continuous selling. But if I do see signs of a reversal, I'm going to probably exit my position, possibly for a loss on this one. But I'm up right now, and I'm comfortable holding it, and I'm going to continue to watch this selling. If I do see a sharp sell-off, I'm going to try and sell in or cover my short in that sharp sell-off, just due to the fact that we could see a really strong reversal for another bull run here. But I'm comfortable playing this to the short side, but I am also looking for another long opportunity, possibly to reverse my position in tomorrow's trading activity. And the Aussie CAD, really not doing much that's of interest. It's kind of stalling here, just very zigzag movements. However, I'm looking for a long position. But if we do start breaking below its previous swings and making new lows, I'll start shorting it. But if I do see a strong pop to the upside, I'll try and follow that for another bull run. But I'm really kind of staying on the sidelines and being very cautious with this pair for now. And the Aussie-New Zealand pair, it's done me pretty well. I was pretty patient with this pair. Made a few bum trades here through this channel, but all the signs previous trading day were telling me to go short, and I did at the 135.7 area, which I mentioned in my previous video. And we started to break below that 134.8 area, which I was talking about. And I'm going to continue holding my short. I really think that this is going to continue to trend down. So unless I see some strong signs of a reversal to the upside, I won't close my position. So I'm going to continue holding my short and into tomorrow's trading activity. We'll see what happens. And the New Zealand US pair. I'm looking for another long on this pair. I missed that nice little run there, but I did catch a few of these other runs. But you know, I'm really looking for a retracement down to some moving averages, some support, and for that retracement to slow before going long again. So that's what I'm going to continue to look for, is that sell-off and then the rally. So I'm going to be on the sidelines for this pair for tomorrow's trading. And thanks for joining me with Forex Trends for April 5th, 2011. If you'd like to compare my price with analysis, please open up the video for April 4th of 2011. And good luck trading, guys.